We are down in Northeast Kansas City in a historical neighborhood and kind of in a blue collar working neighborhood. We are looking at our property that we bought for, guess how much? Comment below, pause the video, I wanna hear what you comment. The winner of this comment will get a smile. No, I'm just kidding. And if you haven't subscribed to the video, make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video. We talk about all things real estate investing. We're gonna walk you through this property real quick as we get the keys. We repainted it. We need to get the lawn cleaned up. We need to get, some of the things taken care of. We got new gutters on here, which is cool. Our guy makes gutters, which is even cooler. He's got a gutter machine. That's a great side hustle. If you haven't checked out our videos on side hustles, and he still needs to paint this dang thing, okay? Just tell him to spray this whole thing with weeds down. Tell him to do this and stop taking things down that don't need to be taken down. We put this all up there. That should really not look like that. Yep, if that's the old one. We always cage our HVAC units. Why do we always cage our HVAC units? Do you know that copper thieves realize that there's 17 pounds of copper in this HVAC unit, and they'll have that thing out of there in a New York freaking second? The reality is we try to bulletproof our houses. So this is our new one. It's our new weatherhead, new beater. The old one needs to come off. Do we have our key, Tyler? Oh, it's out front. Yeah. Watch out for that. Ladies, this is Tyler. Tyler, how much you bench?
55.
255?
Yeah.
You like long walks on the beach?
Yeah.
He's a fun time, and he's a millionaire in the making, most importantly. He's put himself in a situation, I always tell him that. I was like, you put yourself in the right situation. A lot of times that's what you gotta do. So, and most people aren't willing to do that. We're gonna let Tyler finish out the rest of the house and walk us through it. So let's see, you guys need to let me know. Does this guy know what he's talking about? Has he been trained the right way? Like,
I don't think I know what I'm talking about. I just think
did we hire an amateur? You guys tell me.
Let's walk around this side.
Comment below in the video and you tell me what you know about houses now.
All right, well, it's just attention to detail. It's not much construction experience. So right here, we need some paint touch-up right here. I think the water is accumulating right here. I don't know what this is. It's off matching with the paint. Troy gave us the idea to stain this. This would look a lot better, especially in a location that I don't think is very great. So we need to stain this. This needs to happen. It needs to repair this. There's no water in the basement. I was worried about tuck pointing. You see there's still little cracks around here. There's no water.
Should we get rid of that foam so it doesn't
Yeah.
Who do you got working on this job?
Mario.
Super Mario?
Yeah, Super Mario. That's what Troy likes to call him.
Right.
This side looks good. I swear I told him to cut the branches, but now when I think about it, that's a lot of work and that's a lot of time. So
we're gonna have to deal with it sooner or later.
Yeah, he would hate to do that, huh?
So we definitely want to make him do it.
How is he even gonna? Those are heavy branches, man.
Yeah, they are.
And this is pretty overgrown. They need to take something to that.
Yep.
It's pretty cheap and easy to make a flower bed, put some mulch and some bricks around. Might as well do that.
Sure.
This is our paint. We're gonna paint the roof. Here, let's just get our lights on. Here we go.
Yeah, look at that.
I don't know if we can find another one. This is pretty old school.
LLTS. Ladies love Tyler Shoke.
All right, I'll just give a pan around this room. All right, this is our new hardwoods right here. The floor was sinking down.
Right.
It's still sinking a little bit. I think he could have jacked it up a little more, but he's smarter than me, so I trust him. And this is our old hardwoods right here. I'm pretty sure, I don't think they're both new, and it still looks pretty good to me over here, right here.
Yeah, so tell me about this. This looks really dark and really shiny.
We put 3 coats of poly on it.
Why would we do that?
There's no scratches on it. It'll just last longer, the durability, it'll look better.
Right.
That's why we do it.
Yep.
Where's our light right here? So here, I want to ask you about this. So we painted this, it all looks nice and white. We always do that. But on this side, I didn't know if we could do this. I really like the stain on here, but it's white. So do we finish out white or just keep it like this?
I think keep it like that.
Yeah, because I don't know if you can take this off.
No, that looks good the way you got it. Let's keep it. It looks good. It looks on purpose.
So right here, this looks off to me immediately.
Yeah, need to trim it out.
This needs trim around it.
Same with there.
Yep. And so we had, we built this out? This is a load-bearing wall. We put this out. 2 contractors told me, our wall started right here, that we couldn't do this. And me being the gullible guy I am, I believed him. And my guy Mario said it was no problem. So we did that.
So you're telling us contractors lie?
They do lie to you all the time.
All right.
Here's our kitchen right here. It's kind of open space. People like open layouts. I'm gonna have to talk to him about this. He needs to clean this off and some of these. He doesn't mind me saying this either. It just needs to be better on this. You know, immediately someone that doesn't know construction would come in here and look at this and say this is not pretty. So I need to call the city because our water's not on. We need to do that as well. Utility companies suck.
Not all utility companies are created equal.
Yeah. So here's our pantry. Honestly, it needs to be more dual use. It was
Why don't we put motion lights like this in here?
I don't know why he did that.
So the idea would be to put a motion light like this. Mm-hmm. This is a little bit outside.
Because he didn't wire it here, did he? I don't know why he did that.
Okay.
But he had to go into the walls and do that, right?
Yeah, it'll work.
Yeah. Should he do anything else here? It's still, we were gonna rebuild this whole thing and that was the plan. That's what I told him, but I think he tried to get away with this and it's still leaning a little bit, but it's pretty good.
These old houses are really hard to get straight.
They're hard. hard.
You know, at some point in time, we got to stop. It looks really good. They should trim this little piece out right here, Tyler.
Yeah.
Clean that up a little bit. Trim around here. Trim around here.
I mean, this is on, but it just kind of looks a little off to me a little bit. I mean, he did a good job with the grout work here.
Yeah,
this I don't know. Even here, and then, so what does he need? He needs a 220. Yeah, he needs it right there. And then our fridge goes right there. And in all of our properties, we always do can lighting. It looks good for the buyer, and yeah.
And it's low maintenance.
Yep, very. So down here, obviously, no buyer's gonna walk in. They're gonna wanna see this. He's gotta sweep this up. And in Kansas City, we always have these stone foundations. They all look the same. We paint them, paint the ground, spray it black every single time.
Why do we do that?
It's old, it looks better, of course. I mean, all these old foundations, you know, water's coming in, so we mortar it. But honestly, did he just paint this?
No, it's solid.
Yeah, it's solid.
He might have, but
Yeah.
I don't think he needed to do it.
No water's coming in.
Yeah, just missing the whatever it's called right there. Right?
Yeah, and then
Yoke?
Yep, those suck.
Yeah.
And then he's gonna come in here, and Shane's gonna come in here Friday. I didn't tell him about the yokes. He'll install that, and he's gonna service this just to make sure, because if we get this wrong, it could be an issue, right?
Right.
Yeah.
100%. Well, it is vented properly. You see
It
it's
is,
vented
yep.
into that situation right
But
there.
just to make sure that home inspection,
Or
huh?
did he vent it into the ducts, dude?
Yeah, this was already
no,
here.
no.
This wasn't.
Oh yeah, so he's got it vented outside.
Yeah. So I think Shane already serviced this. He didn't really tell me much information about it, so I don't know what's going on here. And then we got our house traps, and that's it. Let's go upstairs and see.
We heard a little noise,
Yeah.
and generally that means someone's here.
Mario.
Okay,
that.
cool.
So it's just door opening. I've never seen a roof painted before, so that'd be cool.
Yep.
That should take the entire roof, right?
Yep.
Think so?
Is the roof in perfectly good shape?
It's in pretty good shape. What do you think? It's like 10 years old, but it'll just look, it's all about catching the emotion of the buyer. And so when we paint it, it's gonna look better.
Yeah.
And it's already a good roof. Why would he spend $10,000 or $7,000 on a new roof when it's in perfectly good condition?
Right. We just paint it, make it look better.
Yeah.
Is that a roofing paint?
What? Yeah, I think so.
Ooh, didn't we pick these out together?
Yeah.
Man, how did that come out?
So in here, he did a pretty good job here. I like this flooring. What was this, $1.29, right?
$1.64.
$1.64. I picked these out. I don't know how he feels.
I love it. Good job.
These are fine.
Ladies, what do you think?
Can't you do a better topper though? I would just pick these out straight from Home Depot.
These are perfect.
It's fine. We did black, was a towel holder.
Yep.
I wanted to get rid of this. It's a lot. Should we get rid of this still?
No,
it's storage.
It's a good backup.
Well, obviously he needs to take something to it. It's good backup.
Yep.
And we could use some paint touch up. We have attic fan, always checking our bathroom, but we have a window as well. Should we paint this? This is just our attic access.
Of course we should.
Yep.
No point. There's two reasons we don't want to use exposed wood. Paint protects wood and moisture gets through wood. Where is this over?
One thing we messed up on as well, we always went with Home Depot and everything. Well, it doesn't cost any much more money just to do a little shower pan, and it'll look a lot nicer, correct? So next time we know just to do this every time. But grout work.
He needs to get a little tighter on his tile
Yeah.
for sure.
You
need to knock it a little
for
bit.
sure.
You need to knock it down a few points. Say, take a little bit more time on the tile.
All right, tell me your idea. Yeah. Close that off.
Yeah,
Make us a bigger
yep.
bathroom. In here, I don't remember in here. Older trim windows. And we have new windows in this house. Yep, new windows. Hardwood floors look good. Not too dirty. These look like 3 coats? I think they are. I just want to make sure.
It does not look like 3 coats.
What does it look like?
One.
One? All right, then he needs to come in here again.
Yeah.
We need a shelf in here. Something we always do, which I do. We just do a shelf and a pole.
Yep.
Simple. Always do that. It needs to be done. And one thing me and Troy learned that I didn't know this till like a week ago. They always put the smoke detectors. Was it like a foot inside the door?
Yeah, who did you learn that from?
Who was that? I don't remember. Was it
think it was-
Oscar?
No, yeah, it was Oscar.
It was Oscar. He's killing me though. All right, this is our. This was a 3. What was this? A 3-1 when you got this property.
Yeah.
We turned this into a 2-2. I think that's a better idea. So this is this room right here, and then we sheetrocked the room right here. So we could add a master. Adding a master is always good. So he doesn't have the shelf up in here. So we need to add a shelf. Why is it yellow?
He didn't fit. That's the old paint.
Yeah. So he's a touch-up paint there, and I think this room turned out good. You know, I think so. Here's our bathroom, with the most important. I don't know what this key is.
That tile.
Troy.
This looks good.
We usually delete windows in bathrooms. We thought it would look weird because the house would be like this. And so we kept it. We kept the old closet. So this was the original room. That doesn't look too pretty. We need to do something in here, probably paint this and install. Oh, this is just for towels. We could probably keep it like that, you think, right?
I would paint everything.
Yeah, paint everything. His grout work on this is pretty good. right here. And I told him to install a body mirror just so the customer,
Good
the buyer
call.
can look
Good call.
at their
You like looking at your body in the mirror?
I'm not gonna answer that. His grout works good right here. He could be a little tighter, but he did a good job. I don't know, what's your feedback on this? I think it's pretty good. This could be better. I ordered probably a cheap one.
My feedback on Mario's tile is he needs a little bit more work. He needs to use Schluter here.
Mm-hmm. It's on these corners, yeah.
Yeah, so
Schluter. What is Schluter?
Schluter's the little edge that keeps it so it looks cleaner, so he doesn't have to be perfect on the tile.
Mm-hmm. And what else?
Looks good, man. The wife's gonna get mad at me. We gotta get out of here.
Yeah, we gotta go, man. So let's turn all the lights off. Is there anything else we need to do?
So you see how much shinier it is down here?
Yeah.
They didn't put the coats. So it sounds like you got a couple things to have him do.
Yeah.
Is this yours, Tyler?
Nope. We can take it with us.
Risk.
I don't like this style that they have it like this. This is just how they buy it. This shouldn't be like this, right? You see all these bumps in this? But this is brand new.
Yeah.
That's just the style, I guess.
Oh, you know what they didn't do, bro?
What?
They didn't put any wood filler. They didn't sand it down.
What?
Yeah, that's what the problem is.
So you gotta sand it down and put wood filler.
Well, we're good now, but you got to put wood filler in here.
Yeah.
Comment below if you got to put wood filler in. See, we buy the remnant stuff, and so it comes a little bit dinged up, and you're supposed to put a bunch of wood filler right here.
Yeah.
And he didn't do that. He just went over it. So that's another thing you got to talk to him about. Again, it's not death by 1,000 cuts on here, guys.
Yeah.
It's really getting better on each job, right? We can't be perfect. We want to be perfect. We want to give. Do you think we're pretty picky, Tyler?
I think we're pretty picky. I think it stems from having a good relationship with your contractor as well. You know, the better relationship we have, the easier it is to work with them.
What's the number one thing you've learned from me?
Negotiate. I don't know, relationships, negotiation, everything.
Right.
Yeah.
What's a piece of advice you'd give to a young guy like yourself who wants to start?
Honestly, I think the easiest thing would do is try to not do it all on your own. I would honestly join a team where you get some experience, and that's why I started working for Troy. Get some experience, because you only get better by doing. You don't get better by not by doing. So
You
get a mentor.
You were doing theory before, right?
Something like that. It just wasn't working. So I think I'll get a lot farther with somebody than by myself, and somebody's been doing this for 20 years. So find a mentor. You need to like, comment, subscribe, share with all your friends, and yeah, follow them on the channel. Get yourself a coaching call and get started in real estate. Peace.